So quick video, I've just sown my strawberry seeds, and as you can see with strawberry seeds you don't actually cover them with the compost, you just leave them on the top. This is because the strawberry seeds need the sun to germinate. So I've just popped one in each module, just to give it plenty of room to grow. So all you need is a bit of heat and some light and they should germinate. So just pop a lid over if you're using a propagator just to keep that heat in. See now, because at the minute loads of strawberry gift pots come on sale, they come with a plastic lid, so just pop that back on the top. If not, cling film, even a cut up bottle, pop that on the top just to keep a layer of heat in it, like a little bit of another greenhouse. You do want to sow them between January and about March and keep them under cover that whole time. Don't put them out into the garden or allotment until about May, until the last chance of frost is left, depending on where you live. Thanks for watching, hope that's been helpful, and I can't wait to start enjoying those strawberries.